Hey, my loves and my lovelies, welcome back. This is part two of forming a survival kit just in case anything happens. Um, we have the eye drops, sinus medication, cold and cough, Excedrin, Aleve, eczema cream, hydrocortisone cream, mucus relief, calamine lotion, which hazel, cotton balls. I already have alcohol and hand sanitizer and stuff like that. Just slowly but surely trying to make sure that we are as comfortable and as ready as possible if need be. You know what I mean? So, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button. And if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below in the comment box.